Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. I hope you are doing well. I'm your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English and English Grammar. So open page number 263 of English Oxford. Unit number 10, Achievement. Reading newspaper article. The following article is about an unusual class of English language students in Sheffield, UK. Sheffield was one of the most important centers of the British steel industry. And the title of the story, Better Late Than Never. After many years in the steel work of Sheffield, a group of retired chimney men are finally getting the chance to learn English. The main reason for learning English language was that the safety instructions were written in English language. That is why they were unable to read these instructions and warning signs. Let's read the words meaning of the story. Squeeze, मजबूती से दबाना. Press firmly. Tangible, हकीकी. Real, obvious. Dapper, पुरवकार. Elegant, जफर, अफसर, बॉस. Green, मुस्कुराहट, smile. Tenacity, इस्तकलाल, perseverance. Let's read the answer question. Question number 1. Why have the men left it until the retirement to learn English? Answer: because neither the state nor their employers gave them any facility of learning, and they themselves had never enough time. Question number 2. Why was it both difficult and dangerous for the Yemeni men to work in steel work without English language skills? Answer: because safety instructions and warning signs were written in English language. Question number 3. Explain what the teacher Chris Searles found startling about the men's English. Answer: he found that they only use imperatives. They spoke in this way because they were used to having orders given to them. Question number 4. Explain some of the difficulties which Chris Searles encountered when he teaches his class. Answer: he had to teach a group of students having different levels of ability. Some students were beginners and some were advanced to some extent. Question number 5. What is motivation? Explain what motivates the Yemeni students to learn English in later life. Answer: motivation is the urge to do something. Their motivation is that they should be able to learn English after spending a large part of their lives in England. Open page number 265 and complete your matching. Reading for understanding. By reading this story, you have to write true or false in front of these statements. Reading for interpretation, that we had read already. Now this is the lecture of English grammar. So open page number 159 of PTB, Punjab text board book. Preposition. When we talk about preposition, we can say that these are the words that tell us about the relationship of a noun or tell us the position of a noun. Let's read. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing indicated by it stands in regard to something else. Number 1. He is fond of tea. Number 2. He is ashamed of his behavior. Number 3. He was angry with me. Number 4. She was absent from the class. There are almost 125 sentences, and you have to learn these sentences. By following this video, you can complete your work of English Oxford in English grammar. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.